Dear students, I am going to explain MCQs. Now, spotting the errors, MCQs. Now, MCQ number 1, when I was, option A, young, option B, I can run faster than Azaz. Now, the MCQ is my father is in the teaching line. Now, if you see this sentence, my father, father is a noun, and before noun we have adjective. So this is possessive adjective, this one is right. There is no problem in option number A. Now then we have singular noun. With singular noun we have to use is, option number B, it is also right. Now if you come to option number C, in the teaching profession, now this is again, this is right, there is no problem in this one. Now in the fourth D, teaching line. Now this word line, it is a slang. For teaching we use profession, not line. So we must not use line. So spotting the error, option number D, this is the wrong one. So it must be like this, my father is in the teaching profession, not line. MCQ number 2. He was so inquisitive that he rose many questions in the class. Now, if you see this one, he, and this is past tense, simple past. So here we use was with he, she, it, plus singular noun. Singular noun, we have to use was. This is correct. Now next one, so inquisitive. Now we have conjunction, and that is paired conjunction. So in the paired conjunction we have so that. Now if you see here so, and here we have that. So this is what? This is paired conjunction, this is right. Now again inquisitive. Now this is also right. Now inquisitive is right. Then we have that is paired conjunction. He, now here we have second form of verb. However, now here rose, it means get up. Now this word, it means get up. Now here he rose, so here we mean some other things. So here this one, instead of rose, the right one is raised many questions in the class. So here we have option number C. In spotting the error, there is a problem in C. So this one is the correct one. MCQ number next. And it is, when I was young, I can run faster than Azaz. Now in this sentence, it starts from subordinating conjunction, when. Now this is right. Here after this, we have I. With I, we have to use was, not were. So option number A, it is correct. Then here the word young is used. Now young, it is an adjective. And keep this point in mind, when you have is, am, are, was, and were, you have to use adjective, and no article is used. Now if you see I was young, there is no article used. After was, adjective is used. This is fine, option B is fine. Then here I can run faster. Now if you see the previous class, dependent class, it was in the past. So now if one is in the past, the second one must be in the past. Now here, instead of can, we have to use I could run faster than Azaz. Now here then is right because there is comparison with another person, two people, Azaz. So here the right option is C1 because here Cain was not the right word. So option number C. MCQ number next. Waste material should be recycled if possible. Now, first of all, waste material. Now, this is subject. Now, there is no problem in it. And keep this point in mind that before noun, the word functions as an adjective. Then here we have should plus be. So, when we have should plus be, after be we have to use third form of verb, not second form of verb or first form of verb. Now here instead of recycle we have to use recycled. So option number C was having the problem. So instead of recycle we have to use recycle. Next one, the old lady prayed that he may live long. Now in this sentence, lady, this is the subject. This is the subject. When you want to do spotting the error questions, a very simple trick that you have to go for parsing. When you do parsing, things will become easy for you. If you want to go for NUMS, for banking, for MDCAT, ETA, whatever the exam. So here subject, before subject, the word that is, before noun, the word is adjective. Now here this word, it is article or determiner. Now this is right, there is no problem in option number A. Now then the second one, prayed, verb is used, second form of verb. There is no problem in it. Then the next one is that. Now here that is used to connect two clauses. We use conjunction that. Now conjunction that is used to connect two clauses. There is no problem in it. Then we have another word he. That he may. Now this is right one. But after he, here it is may. Now if you recall that whenever you have indirect statement, so in the indirect statement we change may into might. So here option number C is the wrong one and option number D, live long, it is correct. So here option number C is the correct one, spotting the error. Then the next question. Question number next. He hoped that he will pass the exam with flying colors. Now here option number A, option number B, option number C and option number D. Now if you see this one, it's a very simple one. Here we have subject and in the subject we have pronoun. After subject we have verb and second form of verb, no problem. Then we have conjunction and it connects two clauses. Then we have he, no problem in it. Then here we have will. And as I told you earlier, that whenever you have indirect statement, so the second clause, here it must be would instead of well. So here option number C is having an error. So option number C. Now, pass the exam. This is right with flying colors. So no problem in option number D.